Hi everyone.
Hi, sir.
So how things are going on? How many of you have received the enrollment email from Google Cloud? Can you write in chat? Okay. Okay. So if some of you have not received the email yet, don't worry, you will receive it by the end of tomorrow. Don't take tension about it. It takes maximum 48 hours. And those who have received the email, congratulations to them. Today we will perform a lab and you will get 600 credits and you can start doing the labs. So in this session, I'll be telling you that how you can get those 600 credits, what lab you need to perform in order to get that. And I'll also be explaining about the games, trivias and skill batches, which will be ultimately responsible for getting the swags to you. Okay, so everybody's ready. Sorry if my voice is little down today because I'm little tired. Okay, so let me admit somebody. Okay. So is there anybody who have redeemed the 600 credits in their account? Okay, Sarthak, Aman, Hari Kishan, Kashyap, Rahul. Okay, okay. And is there somebody who have not done it? Like he's waiting to redeem those 600 points. Okay, so Tanzim is there, and Abhay is also there who is waiting for that. Hmm. So is there somebody who's ready to share their screen?
I can share mine.
So everybody please look at the screen. I wish is present something to us.
What do you have to open? Okay. Okay. When will I receive that mail? Okay, within 24 hours. Okay.
Please share your screen.
Prajwal have asked to share.
Sorry, who wants to share?
Check the chats.
Okay, okay. Yes, Prajival, please go ahead. Share your screen. Okay, open your mails and show that email. Yeah, so everybody please look at the email. That is the email that you will be receiving from Google. Okay, so Prajival have received it. Everybody in our group will receive the same email. Okay, so
Wait, don't show your access code.
एक मिनट. Uh, Prajival, first of all, let me tell you all. This email will be containing a link and an access code. Okay, so you need to open that link in your incognito window, and then you need to sign in your Cloud Skill Boost account and paste that code. So I'll be guiding the Prajival throughout this session for that. Prajival, can you open that link in incognito window? Please right click on the link. Mm, uh, you can directly click on the link. You can when we will do right click, you will get an option of incognito window. Yes. Yeah. Okay, Prajival. Now Prajival,
Just copy and paste your access code.
that mention yes access code. You need to copy that carefully and paste. Yeah, Prajival. Now go to that email. It has instruction for the next. No, don't sign it now. Please go to that email first. Yeah. Now scroll down, please. So everybody, that code and link is unique. Okay. So please don't share with it because Prajwal is now going to redeem that. So it will not work again. So I'm letting him share that. But you are not supposed to do that. Now Prajwal, please scroll down. Yeah. Now sign into your Google Cloud accounts boost. Now if you click the profile icon at the top right. Yeah. So Prajwal, go there and please sign in. No, no, just take back. First click on that lab, a tour of Google Cloud's hand labs. Yeah. Now sign in. Yeah. Same with the sign, same credentials that you have used to fill the forms. Those who are joining late, please don't worry.
You will sign in with Google.
Wait, Sajid, he is doing with his credentials whatever he's used during sign up. Prajwal, use the same Cloud Skill Boost account which you have mentioned in your form. Okay, you have shared your account's public profile in that form. You need you need to use the same account. Yeah, okay. Now Prajwal, click on the first of all click on your profile on the top right. Yes, you can see you got 9 credits. Okay, now click on start lab. Now click on sorry, can you please scroll down to the task number 1 on the right? You can see there's a list of tasks. Yeah, access the cloud console. Scroll down. More. Okay, more. So this is the very introductory lab for you. More. Yeah, and more. Please go to the below down. Yeah. So is there a mention of 5 minutes? Please check. There should be written somewhere that you need to spend around 5 minutes in this lab. Yeah. Okay. So click on the Open Google Cloud Console. Continue. And now use the credentials. Come back to the lab. No. Don't use your personal account. Copy the username. Yes. You need to do this in every lab. Google will provide you the credentials and you need to use that. Don't use your personal credential for those labs. Yeah, you can continue. Hmm. Now come back to that lab. Yeah, agree. Okay, so always remember this. Whenever you will be doing a lab, you need to do this first. Okay. Always you will be assigned some temporary credentials to your account, and whenever you are doing that lab, you need to use those same credentials. Okay. You are not supposed to use your personal credential for that. Now come to the task number 1, please. Yeah. Now that you understand the key features and components of a lab, click Start Lab. Please scroll down a little. Yeah, so they are introducing you about the username and password fields, okay, which I have already told. Yeah, they are also telling about the project ID. To each time you will be assigned at least one project ID, or sometimes you will be assigned 2 or 3. We have already signed in with the Google Cloud Console. Okay, so please scroll down. Yeah, so please answer those questions. Test your understanding. What field is not found in left pane? System admin. हाँ सही है, सबमिट कर दो इस वाले को. Please submit that. The username in the left panel which resemble students. The cloud IIM identity. Yes कर दो इसको. True. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down. We just need to spend some minutes in this lab and we need to enable an API. Okay. Scroll down. An organizing entity or anything you build with cloud project. Yes. Quick Lab. Okay, so what is Quick Labs? So first of all, the platform that you are using, Cloud Skill Boost, it was formerly known as Quick Labs. Okay, so when I was a participant in Arcade, it was known as Quick Labs. Quick Labs resources is shared. All Quick Labs, which mean that you cannot delete or modify it. Hmm. Make it true. Submit. Let's see whether it is correct or not. Yes. Quick Lab resources in the project you run. Okay. Submit. You can submit again. Let me admit somebody. Okay. So it is telling you about the navigation menu. Okay. So come to the again dashboard, Google dashboard that we have logged in. So it is telling about that left panel. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So whenever you are doing something, you can find services from here, like Google Cloud Sales Services. Yeah, VPC, network, BigQuery, compute, whatever we can do from here. Okay, so it is the navigation menu. Now back to the lab. Uh, Please scroll down. Yeah, more. Yeah. Mm, yeah, more. Just a minute. Can you scroll up? More, please. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Go to the navigation menu. IAM grant access at principal. Okay, so we need to perform a very small step here in this lab. Go to the navigation menu. Now you can see here the IAM. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. So okay, click on IAM. Yes. Bhavya, don't worry, you will get the link of recording. Okay. Okay, now back to the lab. What it is saying. So first of all, you all can see that it is providing clear instruction for whatever you are supposed to do. You need to do nothing by yourself. Everything is mentioned here. You just need to read and do. And we have short tricks for also. Like whatever we are doing, we will not be doing every time this. We are not going to read everything. I will be providing you some script to all of you, and you just need to run those script in Cloud Shell, and longest task will perform within 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah. So copy this student ID student. No. That student, that highlighted part. Yeah. Yeah. Copy it. Mm, Click on the grant access. That blue part. Yeah. So click on the new principal. Paste it. Yeah. Come back to the lab. Now you need to select a role. Okay. Yeah. Select here viewer. Sir, you can search above viewer. Yeah. Now come back to the lab. Now it is saying to save. Okay. You can save it. Okay. Now come back to the lab. Scroll down. Click on the check my progress. Yeah. So you can see this is how it will be recording our progress whenever you will be performing some task in the Google Cloud Console. If it is done successfully, and you will click on check my progress, so it will be green. If there will be some error, so it will not be going green. Okay, so and you cannot complete the lab until it is green completely. Navigation menu, first option will be navigation menu. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, editor, submit. Now we need to enable an API. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, just stop, scroll up. Yeah, navigation menu, API services, library, category, dialog flow. Please come copy the dialog flow name. Yeah, copy it. Now come back to the console. No, go to the search bar. No, search bar on the top, middle top. Yeah, yeah. Search API. No, don't search dialog flow. Search API. Yeah, API and services. Click on it. Go to the library. Now paste that and hit enter. Yeah, so this is the dialog flow API. Click on it and click on enable. So this was the first API that I had enabled when I participated in arcade. So this lab is constant for years. They had not changed anything. Now come back to the lab. Yeah, so we have already enabled it. Yeah, click on check my progress.
Sir, a quick question. If I select a wrong answer, then what will happen?
Wrong answer where?
In the MCQs above.
No, only this lab holds MCQ. Not every lab will be holding that. So don't worry about it. You just need to make the mark green of check my progress. This will be the only condition in every lab.
Okay, great.
Please scroll down. When you start a lab, you need to enable APIs in your project to start working with Google Cloud. False. Yeah. So how many minutes we have spent in this lab? Uh, okay, can you find somewhere a text written like what minutes we are supposed to spend in this lab?
You can control F and write minutes.
Okay. It is mentioned in the above email. Please scroll up. Yeah, a little more. Yeah, just wait. 9 credits. If you are not 9 credits, click on start lab.
Below it is mentioned.
Yeah, they have mentioned for 6 minutes. So how many minutes have we have spent here? Anybody have any idea?
I think we can check the timer. We have already spent 15
What's the
minutes.
question?
We have spent 15 minutes. Okay. If we have spent 15, so go to the lab again and click on end lab. Yeah, click on end. Mhm. click on cancel. Now click on your Cloud Skill Boost profile and click on your profile. Don't go on credits, click on your profile. Is it clickable? Okay, so go to the buy subscription and credits. Now click on your profile. Click on your profile icon. Yeah, so you have got 609 credits. Okay, so you are done with yours, and now I am telling the next step, what you need to do the next. Okay, so I am sharing my screen. First of all, the first step is that somebody is raising hand. So first step is that you will get an enrollment email from Google. Yes, Prajwal, you can stop your screen. So you will get an email from Google, and after that you need to do the same which Prajwal has performed in front of all of you. Okay, and when you do this, you are successfully enrolled in the arcade. And after that, you can continue with doing the labs. So what labs you are supposed to do? So there are three kinds of things. The first thing is game, the second thing is trivia, and the third one is skill batch. So in the first step, you will be doing games and trivias. And when you are done with games and trivias, you can continue with skill batches. I am not I am, but Google is suggesting trivias and games first because it has a deadline and spots. So you should do it first because you can do skill batches at any time, but you cannot do games and trivias anytime. There's a limited time for that. Okay, so things are clear. Okay, Ayush, okay, Sarthak, clear. And what about others? Yeah, Kansha. Last date for trivias and game, if you have any idea. Yeah, it is clearly mentioned in the arcade website. Each game and trivia has a time of month. Okay, you have a month to complete them. Oh, complete level. Abhirami. Okay, Abhirami, you did not get 600 credits. Abhirami, can you share your screen? Yes, you can share. Abhirami, if you will share the screen, then I can help you to perform the live lab just like Prajwal has done here.
Can I share my screen, Saif?
Yes, Izhar, sure, you can share. Yes, Harsh, ask what you want.
Okay, so I am doing this. So these are some MCQ. I got some of them incorrect.
Okay,
This platforms how to get.
mark them correct. The answer is navigation menu for this.
Okay, the basic rules of transaction control. Basic select.
Basic rule set project level permissions and unless there are wise specified control. Yeah, true. Make it true and check. So if you mark them wrong, there will be no issue. You just need to complete those two tasks. The first one is of IAM.
Yeah, it is done, I think.
If it
Okay.
is done and you have spent more than 6 minutes, you can end the lab.
No, no, I have to and do this task as well, right?
Yeah, you have to do.
For the viewer permission, viewer role. Is it editor role?
Yes, it is editor.
Navigation role, API service.
You can go to the search bar and search API. And those who have successfully done it, please help the others in group because I don't have that much time to reply for all.
Library under the category display different categories. Yes. Dialog flow.
You need to enable the dialog flow API.
Is
You
there any?
can go on the search bar. There will be a search bar for APIs. No, no, on the top. Yeah, here.
Forensic.
No, don't click on try this API.
Okay. Should I enable the check my progress?
Yes, please check. Yeah, you can end the lab now.
Okay. I can end this, right?
Yeah, you can.
The timing is not an issue. I think I have spent more than 6.
Yeah, if you have spent more than 6 minutes, there will be no issue.
As we can see, this is of 45 minutes. Now it is 32. I think I have spent more than.
You can end it. Now go to your profile. Yeah, if somebody is not receiving the credits, guys, don't worry. Sometimes it takes some time. Okay.
Should I rephrase it? Okay, I got it.
You got 690 credits. So guys, you can see that Izhar has also get the same credits that Prajwal had received. So is there now somebody who had any issue during
Thank you so
credits?
much, Seth.
Okay, Izhar, no
So,
issues.
what is the next step should I perform
Yeah.
after this?
So that you can do starting doing labs. Okay. And the labs. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you that what are the labs. You are not going to do the labs directly. There'll be
Mhm.
trivias and skill batches. You need to do that. Okay. So each game will be holding some labs, then each trivias will also be holding some labs, then each skill batch will also be holding some labs. Yeah, so names
Okay,
are different like trivias, games, and skill batches, but the internal things are the same. It is a collection of labs. Okay.
got it. Where I can find these gaps now? What?
Bring the link. Okay.
Okay.
So, but there was somebody I had checked his message, like he's saying he has not received the credits.
Okay.
Shivansh, what about the 609 credits? I did not get those even though I completed the app. Shivansh, can you please share your screen, brother? Because I have conducted this meeting for this issue because multiple people were reporting that they have not received the credits even though they have performed the lab.
Okay, sir. A quick question.
Yeah,
So can I perform multiple apps, like multiple accounts in same app in the same time, right?
yes, you can.
Okay, great.
But Google is very clever this year. Be careful.
Are they tracking IP address as well?
Yes, they are tracking the device and IP addresses from this year because
Okay.
from others team, like they are multiple facilitators. Okay, so members of some facilitator have reported there when they have filled the form with multiple IDs, so their IDs are blocked.
Okay. Should you recommend to use a different laptop to perform this game?
No, not different laptops. If you are using a Wi-Fi in your home, so you can do what? You need to switch off that router and then turn it on, because routers have dynamic IP address. Okay, whenever you switch off your router and turn it on again, so the previous IP is lost, and now a new IP is assigned to the router.
Okay. Okay.
IP in this way, or you can use a VPN too. But I would recommend switching off the router. It is a more easy thing.
Okay. Thank you.
Harsh is asking, after completing the initial course, what we have to do as a beginner. After completing the initial course, you need to perform the labs. Okay, Prajwal, it is risky, right? No, Prajwal, it is not that much risky. Yeah, because you are going to use incognito window, which reduces the risk significantly. Editor world, I joined now. Please tell me. Editor world, brother, you will get the recording. Okay, I'll upload it on YouTube. Prajwal, better got it. So, Shivansh, brother, can you please share, because you have issue? So I want to show the others like what issue can be there. And I also want to know that what are the ways to troubleshoot them. Shivansh, are you able to hear me, brother? Okay. So is there somebody else who have done the lab but he has not received the credits?
Sir, can you please share the links so that we can proceed with our next games?
Okay. Who is sharing the screen? Sarthak, do we have to play the games also? Yes, you need to do the same. This is the demo lab. It is just for guidance. It is the same that you need to perform the next. Actually, I have done a mistake. I have not participated as a student this year. Otherwise, I'll be showing you the live like how to do those labs. But I am filling the form after this meeting so that I'll be getting the enrollment. Okay, just search arcade. Come here. This is the old website of arcade. Okay. So the first step that you need to do is subscribe here. Okay, guys, it is most important. Okay, if you are not doing it, your progress is not going to count. Click on subscribe here and fill this form. Okay, it is a very small form. Like, let me fill my. Okay, so they are just asking to agree their policies and nothing is there. Like, you don't need to provide any information except your email address. Just fill your email address, click on yes and submit. Okay, and you don't need to wait. Okay, when you fill this form, you are done from your side and you can immediately start doing the labs. Now come to the here. So this is the game. This is the game. This is how it looks like. Level 1 here, level 2 is here, level 3 is here, and it is the base camp edition. Okay, so as I have told earlier that each game is valid for a month. So you can see it is mentioned here that it is for April, but level 1 and level 2 will be available for a complete month. Not all games will be available. Like some games have a deadline for 10 days, 15 days, depending upon the occasion. Okay. And here are the list of trivias. So as I told that each trivia comes in a week, but it is available for a month. So currently they have launched the week 1 trivia. You can see that here its access code is mentioned. But for week 2, week 3, and week 4 trivia, it is written as coming soon. Like currently we are in the first week of April. When the second week of April will be started, they will release a week 2 trivia. But it doesn't mean that they will you will not be able to access the week 1 trivia. You are able to access both week 1 and week 2 also. The same applies to week 3 and week 4.
Seth, can you please confirm what is the like the priority of this game? What we should do first, the base camp or the quiz or the trivia?
Uh, Whatever you want, it totally depends on you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all of three them gives one credit. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Not more than that.
Whatever the credits it is mentioned. Okay, like I told that there's occasions like I know there was a Valentine Day when, so they had released a Valentine edition, so there was 2 points for that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So if somebody is interested, sorry, my tongue is slipping now because I'm very tired today. You can share your screen. I'll be guiding you live. Okay. Let me just a minute. Let me tell you about the skill badges. This arcade website will be guiding you for games and trivias. Okay. And something is there. The rules for points is also mentioned. If you are completing one game, 1 point. Level 2, 1 game, 1 point. Same for level 3, 1 game, 1 point. And trivia, 1 game, 1 point. But when you are doing skill batch, so you need to complete 2 batches in order to get 1 point. Okay. So games and trivias are more rewarding. Okay. Uh, Now let me tell you about the skill batches. So for skill batches, you need to access the same platform, Quick Labs. Sorry, the Cloud Skill Boost. You can see here is the Explore option. So here it is mentioned everything, whatever you want. All skill batches will be listed here. Okay. You can apply filter. I am applying a skill batch. Okay. So here are the number of skill batches, like 85. So here we have 85 skill batches. So if you have the ability to complete them, definitely you can.
So it is mentioned here 5 hours. Is it taking 5 hours to complete us?
Are not going to take it. Yeah, if you are going to read every step, okay, and like just like if you are doing spoon feeding, then it is going to take. But there are some shortcuts available. Like cloud engineers write scripts, okay, and they post it in YouTube. You can copy those scripts and run in the lab. So if some lab is taking an hour and you done it with the script, so it can be done in just 3 minutes. So this is how people do multiple labs and get multiple points with
So
multiple
can you
examples.
are you going to share us the scripts?
Yeah, I'll share.
Okay, thank you.
So there are two websites. The first one is of Arcade, through which you will be doing trivias and games. And the second one is your Cloud Skill Boost platform, where you have created your account and you have 600 credits. I have 0 credits because I have not participated in Arcade with this account. Okay. So
So, what is the maximum points that can be earned per day using a single account?
uh, maximum point, it depends on how many number of games, trivias, and skill batches you are completing. Yeah, but for an estimate, we need to calculate it. I cannot give a rough estimate because there are a limit of 15 laps. So per day you can earn a point. Okay, you can earn 1 point per day. around because they have applied limits. So if I am considering those limits, so you can earn 1 point per account.
Oh,
Because for example, a game will be holding 7, 8 or 10 laps. Okay, so 1 point is going to take around 30 minutes for you. Sometimes if you are a beginner, it can go for an hour for you. So that's how it will be working. So if you are doing it with multiple accounts, like if you have 3 accounts, so you can earn 3 games or 3 trivias, one trivia or game per account. So this way you can complete 3 laps, sorry, 3 points. So, or talking about the swag, so how much points are required for swag? For basic swag, there are around 10 points are required. Yeah, 10, 10, 11, 12, sometimes 15. And for standard level swags, you need to have 25 points. So they are not asking very much higher number of points. Okay, just a small number of points are needed because you are not going to earn thousands points. Everybody will be holding point like they can maximum earn 70, 80 or 90 points. Like I have seen maximum people earning 70. They have touched the limit of 70 or 75 during my time.
so for the championship, the champion arcade swag, it is showing that you need to earn like 75 points. So is yeah. So is that possible to earn like?
Yeah, it is possible. Listen. Suppose, let me give you an idea. I have told you that for basic level of swags, you need to get the basic level milestone. You need to complete basic level milestone. And generally, basic milestone require 10 points. So let's count. In the month of April, how many points you are getting only from trivias and games? Okay. So there are 4 games. One, two, three, and four. 4 points is there. Okay. No doubt should be there. And then 4 trivias are there. So how many you get? You got total of 8 points in the month of April
Yes.
of games and trivias. Okay, and now one thing is left, that is skill batches. Now it depends on you how many skill batches you are completing. Like it has the policy of like if you are completing 2 skill batches, you are getting 1 point. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
4 skill batches this month, and you complete all the games and trivias of this month, you are getting 10 points. So you got eligible for the basic milestone. But nobody is going to do just say 4 skill batches. Okay, everybody will be doing around 50 to 55 skill batches in the month in this 2 months. But now they have limits, so I don't know, but still people can reach 30 or 40. And those who are doing with multiple accounts, so definitely they can do a lot.
So we can share like the we can give the arcade point to another account as well.
No,
We
no,
can.
you can't
Okay.
share the credits. It is against the policies to participate in the arcade with multiple accounts, because arcade is not for just swags, it is for learning opportunity. It is a learning opportunity which is given to Google, sorry, given by Google to us. So Google
So where
don't,
can you find the arcade points?
yeah, you will be receiving an email, I think each week or each day. I don't know what they are going to do this year, but yeah, every time you will be getting an email which will be showing you your progress, like what you are reaching, how many points you have done, and what milestone you are touching, like you are hitting the basic milestone, or you have crossed the basic milestone and you are going toward the intermediary milestone. So you will be notified in your email by Google. Don't worry about it. Once you will start doing that, you will be notified by Google.
Seth, can I share the screen and start the gap one so that it will be
Yeah,
the first gap? It will.
chat. Okay, so please bookmark those links because they are going to help you throughout the month. this is the labs for link for quick labs. Okay, and this is the link for skill batches. Bookmark both of the links in your browser, and you can share your screen now and open the first link, that is of Arcade's website.
Sure. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
So should I start the?
First of all, you need to subscribe. Click on
Yeah,
subscribe here.
I did it.
So everybody, if you are starting the arcade, first of all you need to subscribe here, okay?
Yeah, I
Because
already.
we will be tracking your progress. Yeah, if you have done so, please come to here. Yeah, copy that access code first of all. Click on start now.
Can you share me the arcade link, the website link?
Yeah, I have shared in the chat already. Please check the chat.
It's showing that the skills cloud skills boost catalog, not the arcade links.
No, no, these are two links. No, you have to say it the above one.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Should I join the game?
It is stuck in my laptop.
Still stuck?
Yes, it is.
Let me share it again. Then. It is visible now.
No, I think yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. You have joined the game, okay?
Yeah.
Can you come back and again, please go open the next one?
Sorry.
Means you can join multiple games at the same time and complete them later. So everybody, you need to please enroll yourself in the games because there are limited spots for that. Come to the next game. Go to the website again.
This
Arcade's
one.
website. Come back to the Arcade's website.
Yeah, I am there.
Okay, but your screen is still stuck.
Let me check what is happening. Uh,
Let me stop my screen.
yes, please.
Yeah, now please share.
Is it visible now?
Yeah. So everybody, do the labs later, but enroll yourself in the games first because seats are limited. You can do the games whenever you have time, but enroll yourself. It don't take.
Okay, so okay,
Yeah,
join this.
join the
Right.
game, paste your access code, and join. Now,
Okay, I have to do this as.
do same for them.
The quizzes are the game, right? The quizzes are the game, right? The base camp.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Okay.
All done, right?
And
Right.
you have enrolled yourself in trivia also, no?
Yes.
Okay, so now come to you can open any one of them and open the first lap of it.
I'm opening the level one. Okay.
Okay, so you can definitely. So what it says, build and automate, you can start it. Yeah,
Start the game.
sorry. Please go back.
Go back.
Yeah, you need to open the lab in incognito window. Always remember that.
It is in incognito.
It is incognito. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can.
So then you can proceed, please.
The arcade app itself should be open in incognito window.
Should I start the game now?
Yeah, they ask us for opening it in incognito because they assign temporary credentials. Okay, so you are not owner of them. It is just temporary assigned to them, and next time it will be assigned to some other students.
Start game, open Gmail.
Yeah. So create the script project. Come to the task number 1. Yeah, first of all, you need to log in. So you can read and perform the labs. It is just as the same we have performed the initial labs of Google Cloud hands-on too, like that. What I don't remember what was the exact name, but it is same. So you just need to perform some task, and there are YouTube channels that will be helping you around the arcade. Uh, so what they do, they just record the lab and provides you the quick way to do it. Okay, so there are multiple channels who have uploaded some labs, so each channel you can get each lab in almost some of them. Okay, at least there will be one video for each lab in the YouTube.
So please tell the access code to join the game.
Okay, sorry Sarthak, can you please repeat?
So actually I was joining the game, but my access code is being incorrect. So can you please tell the access code which we have to use for joining the game?
Can you please write in chat? Your pitch is very low.
I have already written it.
Okay, you have written it. Please check the access code to join the game. Access code is mentioned in the game itself.
Okay, let me see.
Yeah,
It is mentioning here. You can see.
here you can see. You need to copy this code, click on the start button, and if there will be a prompt asking for the code, you need to paste that and click on join.
Okay, thank you.
So,
Yeah. So
so
what you have done in this, create the script project. I think you have opened some wrong lab. Like it is a
no, no.
complex.
So
No,
this is the
no, you have opened the right lab. I mean that this lab is not like automating lab automation. Like I don't like these kinds of lab like Gmail and Looker labs.
so I have started the script.
But no issues. You can complete them, but it will take time because it is little hectic.
There's a code, right? I
Uh,
have to paste them.
Whatever instructions they are providing, just follow them and do the lab.
Okay.
Yeah. So my battery is only 7%. So you guys can continue the meeting. If somebody have any doubt, please ask before it reaches to 6. As it will be reach 6, laptop will be shut down automatically.
Okay, Seth, one last question. Do I need to see the timer here as well? It will take, should I 6 minutes at least, right?
Yeah. This you need to complete the lab before this timer ends.
Minutes.
Okay.
Okay.